Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out 5 best sports backpacks in this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on quality, durability, price and more. I've included options for every type of consumer. So if you're looking for the best value per dollar or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and update pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. MIXI 2019 Anti-Theft Crossbody Bag Men Sling Chest Bag. Men Sling Chest Bag Fit 9.7 inch. iPad Messenger Bag Sports Travel Small 1 Shoulder. Average star rating, 4.9 star. Order this product 50 people. MIXI Unisex Backpack Men Women School Bag Boys Girls. Boys Girls Satchel 15.6 Laptop Backpack USB Charge. 2019 Trend Fashion 17-18 inch M5 510. Average star rating, 4.9 star. Order this product 1372 people. MIXI 2019 New Preppy Style Backpack Women's School Bags for Teenagers. Women's School Bags for Teenagers. Large Capacity Man College Student Shoulder Bag. Average star rating, 4.8 star. Order this product 09 people. Anti-Theft Bag Men Laptop Rucksack Travel Backpack Women. Anti-Theft Bag Men Laptop Rucksack Travel Backpack Men Women. Large Capacity Business USB Charge. College Student School Shoulder Bags. Average star rating, 4.7 star. Order this product 3,205 people. 15-inch Laptop Backpack USB Charging Anti-Theft Backpack Men. Men Travel Backpack. Waterproof School Bag Male Mochila. Average star rating, 4.7 star. Order this product 2,571 people. Do you want to hear? Product link in the description box. Which backpack do you want to take? Tell us about your experience in the comments, and subscribe to my channel, and be sure to share this video on your Facebook, Twitter or Instagram.